Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Adyan's World. Today I have created my own app named Adyan's World. Let's move on to the video. In the design part, I have used 4 screens for my app. In screen main, label 1 for Adyan's World, button robotics, button games, button apps. In screen games, label games, image dance party, image space alien, image car, image coin catcher, button dance, button space, button car, button coin, button game back. In screen robotics, label robotics, image sanitizer, image follower car, image clap LED, image toll, button sanitizer, button follower, button clap LED, button toll, button robotics back. In screen apps, label apps, image piano, image painting, image click me, image translator, button piano, button paint, button click, button translate, button app back. Starting the code with on event, clicking the button games, set screen to screen games and play a sound. On event, clicking the button app, set screen to screen app and play a sound. On event, clicking the button robotics, set screen to screen robotics and play a sound. On event, clicking the button dance, it will take you to the YouTube video. Same for all the button in game and robotics. For app, if you click on any app button, it will take to you the app link. In every screen, you have a back button. If you click on the back button, it will take you to the screen main. Let's run and see my app. Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Adyan's World. Today my That's all friends. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is App Adyan from LiQWYD.